Ebere. We've been friends for years now, and there's no advice you gave to me that I didn't adhere to.
That's true.
Okay, I don't want you to interrupt me. I just want you to give me listening ears.
Okay. My
Good.
listening ears are open.
Good. You know, the last time I brought up this topic, we almost fought. And since then, we've not had time to talk one-on-one.
Okay.
So I have come to see my friend, to know how she's doing, and to also ask you, please, you bury my best friend. Follow one of these men that are asking for your hand in marriage. See, you are such a lucky girl. Look at me. Are we not of same age? No man has ever asked me if I am displaying my goods or how much I'm selling. But look at you. You have a lot of persons asking for your hand in marriage. Even Chidi. Chidi is a good man. He is doing well for himself. Why not give him a trial before it's too late, my friend? Please. Please, my friend. See, I don't mind kneeling down for you.
No.
Please.
Wait. It hasn't gotten to that. Sit down.
Okay.
Listen. You have spoken like the true friend that you are. And I want to say thank you. But I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
If you were in my shoes, will you do all these things you're asking me to do now?
Of course. Before God and man, I will. I am not getting any younger.
Thank you. That has given me answers to my question. I will do as you have said.
Really? You promise?
I will.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Chidi.
Huh?
Wait a minute. You mean to tell me that you made this food?
Me, Chidi. I'm a powerful cook, a powerful chef. I used to go for cooking competition before. Yes, now.
Okay. I've been meaning to ask. Do you really have intentions of getting married to me? I mean, with the promise that you wouldn't treat me as bad as some husband treats their wife in this village.
Iberi. Me, Chidi. Treat you bad. Ha! No, now. I can't do that now. I love you with all my heart. With all of my heart. I'll never treat you bad.
Okay. I just want you to give me some time to think about it. I promise I'm going to give you a reply in no distant time.
Sometime.
Yes, sometime.
How long?
Just give me some time to think about it.
Oh, I thought you wanted to think about it now, but it's fine. It's alright. Let's eat.
Alright.
See?
Are you sure there's not too much pepper in this food?
You see this meat, this one? I made it specially for you.
Okay. I'll have a test first.
Come on, Chidi, what is it that you're hearing?
What are you hearing?
People say that you now go to Ebere's house on a daily basis to wash her clothes, fresh firewood, and even do the sweeping of the compound every morning.
Whose mouth did you hear that from?
Chidi, I'm beginning to be ashamed of my own self for you. Chidi, we all know that you love this girl, but for crying out loud, you don't go to her house all the time to become an errand boy. Eh? Chidi, you are too cute for this. Chidi, you are belittling yourself. Okay, now look at us, your friends. You are disgracing us.
If that's the truth, you are making a very big mistake. What is it in her that you cannot find in other women? You are a very handsome guy, supposed to be chasing by other women and not other ways round.
The truth is, Ebere and I, we love each other. And that's the most important thing.
I even heard she asked you to stop coming to their house, but you wouldn't listen.
I thought you were my friends. I thought we were all friends. Why are you listening to rumors? Huh? Are you not supposed to protect me? Are we not friends?
But, Chidi, this is not called for a quarrel. We are just trying to find out the truth and make some amends.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. Go and tell those rumor mongers to mind their business. I said go and tell those rumor mongers to mind their business.
Why is it
You too.
Why is it going?
See, ask Alomo, eh? The truth is bitter. As for me, I will continue saying the truth until my voice is heard. If they like, let them cut off my head. Because if you say the truth, you will die. If you don't say the truth, you will still die. I better stand on the truth and nothing but the truth. He should go and hug Transformer. Yeah, let's go.
A very good afternoon to you.
Afternoon.
I just finished from the market. I decided to come and see you before I go home.
That's thoughtful of you.
Where is Emeka?
I don't know. Yeah.
You look sad. Is everything all right?
Did anybody tell you that I'm sick? Do I look sick to you?
No. It's just that you were not smiling.
Go outside now. Go and bring Ogeni and drum. Let me start dancing here for you. Now I should start gyrating because you came to see me. Meanwhile, where's your Okada? Or has the owner come to collect it?
I'm sorry.
For what?
Iberi.
Gene! What?
and stay there. Why are you rolling like rolling ball? I'm moving, you are moving. You want me to fall from the seat?
Iberi, if I tell you what happened on my way here...
Akokowa, storyteller, newscaster. Go and tell your ancestors. Here you go.
You are my friend. You are my friend for that matter, Chidi. I don't want you to die before your time, Chidi. Stop going to someone's house, someone's brother's wife. That girl is married. Chidi, let me tell you. If you like, go and paint Obidia or a parent's house with golden color. That girl will never marry you because she's married. She's somebody's wife. Except, let me tell you, Chidi, except unless that girl divorce. I don't even know what I'm saying, but all I know is that there is divorce on it. Chidi, let me tell you, she can never marry you. Either you kill the spirit or the spirit will kill you. Let everybody hear my voice now. Not even when this boy will die now. When I come to the burial, they will not give him even one bottle. You start calling me names. I don't like it. Chidi, hey, Chidi, I'm telling you. Chidi, I'm telling. In fact, should I? Chidi, come back here. Oh, let me. Chidi, not even when you die now. If I come, they will not give me one bottle. I will not like it. Chidi, let me tell you, that girl will not.
My love.
Emeka, good day.
Yeah, good day, my love. How are you? And where are you going to with this sharp knife?
I just want to get to the farm to cut some fresh leaves.
Oh. You promised that you would come and see me the other time. You never did. What happened?
I'm sorry, my love. Just that these days I've been so busy. Don't worry, I promise to come and see you specially.
No problem. Okay, no problem. You can go
on. My love, I want to ask you for something.
I'm all ears.
What is wrong with Ebere, your sister? Why is she refusing to get married?
My dear, you should ask her that question. After all, both of you are going to group dance together. So that question is for her, not me.
Are you expecting me to go and ask her such questions? That's why I'm directing it to you.
Okay, there's no problem at all. Just don't mind me, it's not my question. You should ask her whenever she sees her.
So, I'm worried though.
Why? Why are you worried?
Because it will not be proper for us to get married if she's still in that house.
She not worry about that. She not worry about that. Just don't mind her. Everything will be fine.
If you say so. Let me quickly go so that I can come back on time.
No problem. Take care of yourself, right?
I will.
Just make sure you come back on time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Emeka, you would not understand why I'm advising you. I don't know why you are proving stubborn. Stay away from this girl. Stay away from Chica. She's my dance colleague and I know her too well. Now that I'm saying it, you will not listen, no? You won't listen. Okay.
Sister?
Brother?
You're the one that is making a mistake here. Yes, I love Chica. and there's nothing you will do about it.
It's a new love for Chica. Spell go to love. No, spell the word love. Look at this monkey. This local village boy talking about, what do you know about love? I'm asking you, Emeka, what do you know about... See, I know these people too. They are all pretenders. I don't know why you are not listening to me. Oh. I'm not singing, I'm talking to you.
Sister, you have to be wise. You have to grow wise. Think smart, get married, and leave this house. Yes.
Hey, Lekwano Bingo. Bingo said I should leave the house. Anyway, I don't have your time. Let me see Chica in this house. Let me see that girl bring her two left leg into this company. If you get Maggie, you and her, I will deal with the two of you. No jokes.
God forbid. God forbid, sister. Sister, this is my house. And not yours. And I'm the man of the house here. Yes.
Okay. Man of the house. Odogu Ekenemge. I greet you. You are the man of the house and you take decisions. Okay. Let me see Chica in this house. Look at who is talking. Man of the house. So when they come and you come out, this was scanty baby, and come and stand as a man. Let me see Chica in this house. You see what I'll do to the two of you. Man of the house. From man of the house. A who of the house. Don't have sense.
What is her problem? I don't know why she doesn't want me to get married. I think there's a mystery behind this. Yes. Because I don't know why she doesn't want to get married. And at the same time, she doesn't want me, her only blood brother, to get married too. There's a mystery behind this.
Chica! Chica, what is the meaning of this? You mean at your age, you empty the whole pot of soup on the floor this early morning? Chica, what is wrong with you? Do you know how much we bought the ingredients to make this soup? I'm sure you don't. All you do is leave your father's house, come here to come and destroy things for us. How many times have I warned you to stay away from my brother? Haven't I warned you to stop coming here? Wait for God.
Sister, stop shouting at her. Because it's not her fault that the pot of soup fell off her hand.
No, it's my fault. I'm the one that threw the pot of soup away from her hand.
Of course, it's your fault. Because assuming that you did the cooking yourself, you wouldn't have been here for it.
Ebere, I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. I hit my leg on this stone and the soup fell. I'm sorry.
Huh?
But I'm leaving.
Now,
Chica, come. You don't have to.
It's calling me a witch.
It's okay. Sister, listen. Chica here is my wife to be. You should go and get yours. You should examine your head and know actually what is wrong with you, because this is not ordinary. You don't want to get married and at the same time you don't want me to.
Emeka, Chidi, let me understand what is going on here. Am I the one you were talking to like that in presence of a stranger?
Stranger? There's no stranger here.
Emeka?
Because when you go to the bush to fetch anti-infected firewood, definitely you're inviting lizard for a feast.
Ah. We will see.
You can say nothing.
Hey, shut up!
They will be attacking me. What did I do to her?
It's
Again?
okay, it's okay.
I need to throw it away.
Ebele, Mama, a fly that does not hear the word of advice follows the corpse to the grave. But that's not my prayer for you, because you're trying to become that fly.
Mama, and they say that the best advice anyone adheres to is the advice given to himself or herself. Mama, what is it? Why wouldn't you just let me have my peace? What is your problem, Mama? What? You see this marriage issue? I am tired, Mama. And as it stands, I want to take a break for now.
Break? Why? Yes. You're not married already now, so why taking the break?
Mama, because this is my life. It's my life that is at risk here, not yours.
Your life at risk? How? Is marriage risk now? Eh? How do you mean by your life is at risk? Find this devil that is trying to torment your life. Let that devil flee from you. You better walk. You better make it while there is daylight. Night is coming where you cannot walk, when it will become too late for you.
Mama.
Mama what? Don't mama me. Anytime we're talking about this marriage thing, don't mama me. You have a child that you get up with mama and take. Is it not the same thing? Have your own child. Can't talk with mama. What is it? I wish you all the best. I cannot even wish my enemy evil, let alone my own child, my beloved daughter. Mama, what do you want? I want you to get married. Bear children. I want you to begin to give Chidi and his people green light.
You talk about this marriage all the time. Why must it be this Chidi? Why?
It's because Chidi is the best. Chidi is calm. Chidi is calculated. Chidi, when a brain, he's intelligent. Chidi is hardworking. And amongst all your 11 suitors that have been coming here to torment your life and my life, he's the most handsome. That his handsomeness does not get into his head. He's timid and calm.
Okay, Mama, I've heard you. I'm gonna go.
Oh. So, when are we, what date? Just give me the date so that I can send message across to them. No, can they quit? Can they, meme?
Tell them in 3 months' time.
Kai. Why are you like this? 3 months is too far now. Eh?
Mama, okay, no problem. Tell them to come this evening.
I don't know why you should be sounding so mischievous. Which one this evening again?
Now I'm mischievous. As in 3 months, it's not the over. You see, why this evening is mischievous? Mama, what do you want? Tell them to come this evening. Tell them to come this evening. In fact, Mama, let me ask you a question.
Go ahead. Ask, let me hear it.
What exactly are your plans? You and Emeka. What are you two planning?
We're planning good for you. Everything we're planning is for your good. Don't you know that you're right for marriage? Nena, Mbumbu, Nena Wabwiki. You're ripe for marriage. When the fruit is ripe to be plucked, if you don't pluck it, it will overripe there, decay, and falls down. Complete the story for me.
I am not a mango. Neither am I cashew. I am not falling from any tree. Nobody is coming to pluck me and I'm not decaying. I will get married at the right time.
Ebere! Everything we are planning is for your own good. Who doesn't like children apart from you? Eh? No.
Life is not what we say it to be that it is. Also, marriage is not what we talk about it to be that it is. This Ebere of a girl is not the only beautiful girl in this Akama village we can lay our hands on.
Papa, Ebere is the one I want, and she wants me too.
Okay, why won't she permit us to go and perform her marriage rites?
Papa, we have to give her more time.
Why?
Because she's pretending to know if I would leave her or not. She's doing what other women, also do. She's trying to know if I really love her or I don't love her.
Chai. Chidi, I am beginning to lose interest in this whole matter.
Papa, we have to take things easy. We have to do things step by step so that we don't make mistakes.
What mistakes? I said, is that why you turn yourself into a slave just because of a woman?
Papa, there's nothing wrong in turning yourself into a slave if you love someone. You can slave for the person you love. There's nothing wrong with that.
Let me ask you, Chidi. Is that the way I married your mother?
Papa, right now, all that concerns me is the love of my life, Ebere. I don't care about anything else. I don't.
Chidi, let me remind you, any love without good thinking will fall like an iroko tree. I've said my own.
I told you don't have to worry. Very soon I'll come to your house and they'll fulfill and get together and become husband and wife.
So I can't wait.
I can't wait either. What about your friends? Have you told them about it?
You're funny.
I have to stop here. As you can see, your house is not far from me.
No, I'm not leaving you.
I want to leave you either. I have to go. I have to go, my dear. I love you.
I love you too.
I'm going to miss you, right?
I'll miss you more.
Polycarp. Good day to you.
Good day. I did not say anything.
You don't have to. We're just friends. We're just friends. You don't have to.
Did you see me? In fact, did I pass this road today?
It's okay. We are just friends, Polycarp.
You are just friends?
Yes.
From friends now, you people will start doing another thing. Well, nothing bad. Since you get married to her, if you have intention of getting married to her, it's not bad thing. Let me tell you, both of you should not go inside the bush and start doing another thing. It will affect our ground of crops. So. Don't do anything. In fact, take her home so that your sister will see that mixing up with a man and woman is all about In fact, I will start. I'm going because before I bite in my mouth, yeah.
Bye-bye.
Let me tell you, when you get to home, quickly remind the bear to come and see me, Polycarp, because I have solution to her spiritual husband.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Polycarp said,
My dear, take a good look at Polycarp. Forget about him. Can't you see that he's a drunk? Forget about him. Let us focus on you and I. What about Polycarp?
So?
What about him? Let me tell you, you and I are destined to be together. So you don't have to worry about Ebere.
I am not doubting you. That's if Ebere, your sister, will agree. Because she keeps threatening me on a daily basis.
That is an empty threat. Have you forgotten that I'm the man of the house? That house belongs to me, and not she. So you don't have to worry about her.
Okay, if you say so.
Yes. Just know that you and I are destined to be together. And I can't wait to be with you, my love.
Same here.
You know what? I think you have to go now.
I don't want to go.
You have to. Look at your house. You have to go now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's a
Tomorrow.
It's a promise.
Why are you going now?
No. Let me wait for you.
Stop, go.
My dear. Go.
Okay, let's go at the same time.
No problem. Let me go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Listen, Kingsley, I don't know what else to say to you. I don't know what to say.
Really? What I want you to tell me right now, just tell me to start coming with my people. If that's what it will take, I can do that.
How can you come to my people? You know that I am married.
Married? To who? I don't know.
Listen, is there anyone in this village who doesn't know that I'm married?
Well, I don't know, but I was reliably told that you are single. Unless someone is lying to me or there's a mistake somewhere.
Oh well, whoever told you that doesn't know anything about me. Because I do everything on my own. That person is probably dreaming of something else.
Very well, listen to me, listen. You can't tell me that because marriage is a ceremony that is open. It's not a hidden something that people will know about in this village. Like this village.
Kingsley.
Yes, baby.
You're a nice man. And you're somebody I would really love to be with. But you came a little bit too late.
We can work it out. Nothing is too late.
Listen, there is nothing we can work out. Absolutely nothing. I am somebody else's wife, except you want to take another person's wife, which of course you know is an abomination in the land of Akama. Can I go now? No, please. I know we can work something out. Listen to me, Chidi. All I'm saying is that you and I
Ebere, I've been asking you for an hour to tell me, what plans do you have for me? I'm tired of chasing you. I'm tired of telling you I love you. I don't have time on my side. Age is not on my side. Don't you understand?
Chidi, I understand you, and I said this before, and I'm saying it again. I like you. Yes, and I want to be with you, but I need you to give me time.
What time? Time? Ebere, that's all you say. That's what you keep telling me. Time, time, time. Huh? Listen, all my friends are having children. Look at me. I'm just busy chasing you everywhere.
Well, I'm going to make this clear. If you think you're so much in a haste to get married, then go out there and look for somebody else and leave me alone.
What? What does that mean?
Meaning you should wait for me. Listen, marriage is not something you just dabble into. If you jump into marriage quickly, you jump out of it quickly as well.
So what are you trying to say now?
I need time.
You need time?
Yes, time.
After all the time I have given you, you still need more. Ebere, goodbye. Goodbye!
Listen, Emeka, you and Mama should just give me a break. Leave me alone. What is with all this stress? Marry, marry, marry. Marry today, marry tomorrow. Am I the only young girl that is not married in this village? Why won't you people just leave me alone? Listen, with the way things are going, I'm beginning to suspect that you and Mama are actually planning something for me.
Something like what, sister? We are planning a better future for you.
Which better future? Who asked you people to plan my future for me? Is it your future? It's my own future. Leave it for me. I'm
I'm the one in the middle of this whole thing. Why are you two crying more than the bereaved? Here.
Sister, there is this adage that says that you never know the gold you have until you lose it. Getting married is not by force, but this one you are about to lose, you have to think about it. You have to think about it, sister.
Emeka, see, I'm just confused. I'm confused. I mean, this whole thing is just... You won't understand.
And why are you confused?
You know what? Just forget about that. I'll go and tell Mama that it's okay, that I'll give her a date. She can go and see Chidi's father.
Oh. I think this is what I'm expected to hear.
Chidi, what are you doing here all by yourself?
I'm here to rest.
Wait a minute. You are here to rest. For goodness sake, you could have snakes or reptiles around this place. Why would you choose this place to rest, of all places?
I don't care should anything happen to me. After all, no one cares about me.
Oh. Same reason I say that you were strange. This is not the right place to You know what? Let's just go home. Come out, come out. Mama, you see this marriage thing? I am tired. I don't have strength for this marriage issue again. Pico, let's just end everything, please.
But it was only a dream.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
Mama, this might be a sign from God. It's a revelation from God.
Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it's not. This could be malaria. Yes, you know you're due to be treated of malaria.
Mama, it is not malaria. God is actually trying to tell me something.
Prophetess. Prophetess! Will you shut up? It was only a dream. I don't know why you're carrying it so far.
Mama, I'm looking at you with one eye.
How?
What do you mean how? After everything I told you about this marriage issue, Mama, I'm not comfortable with this thing. My spirit doesn't agree with it. I'm telling you that my life is at risk and you are still forcing me. You still want me to go into this marriage thing. What was your plan?
The person that gave me the date to give them?
I'm the one that gave you the date and I said I've changed my mind.
So what do you want me to tell them now? Why do you like disgracing me? Why? So when people see me, they start laughing at me. That her daughter fixed marriage and the marriage was cancelled.
Okay. So what you're concerned about now is me disgracing you. Not started. I know what to do.
What is this one now? What kind of human being is this one? Why are you always putting me on the spot like this? Oh!
You know, I bought this myself. You like it? Come on,
That man's big.
That man's big.
From that man's big?
Yes. This is straight from the top. It's sweet.
Good.
You enjoy it.
Very good.
Yeah. Don't mind my sister, yeah? Don't mind all the things she's doing. She'll come along one day. Yes, you don't need to worry. Just enjoy your drink. Enjoy.
Thank you.
What is going on here? What is happening here? Emeka? What is happening here?
And what does it look like we're doing? We're having some cups of wine, as you can see.
You're having some cups of wine, as I can see. Of course I can see. As for you, stop coming here. Stop coming to this place for your own sake. Please.
Why? Sit down. On my way. You don't need to go anywhere now. Sit down. Let's do it. Chidi, come back.
He said he wants to go. Happy I can. Leave him to go now. Bye-bye.
See, I don't like this thing you're doing. I don't know how you're chasing away my visitor.
See, cheap slippers. Don't like the way I'm taking away your visitors. So I'm talking rubbish. I asked him to go and you're telling him to stay. Eh? Because you want to drink. Drink now. Drink. Shift. Let's drink. Shift. Let's drink now. Since you don't want him to go, let's have a party. Drink.
I don't like this
I said let's
like
drink.
you're doing.
You're very stupid. I'm talking, you're telling him not to go. Chairs. Simply chairs.
Look at yourself. You have reduced yourself to nothing. Why are you running after a woman who has not made up her mind for marriage? Is this how other men in this community get married to their wives? Chidi, you are now a topic for discussion in this entire Akama village. You are now a total shadow of yourself just because of a woman. Chidi, say to fear.
Papa, I love her.
Papa, I love her.
Yes.
You are still talking about love here. If you want to chase a woman, chase her in a more respectable manner.
Papa, I think you should just leave this matter so I can handle it. I'm old enough to do what I want.
Look at you. You're talking about love. You better be careful. You should not be waiting for a woman who is not ready for you. She will give us a day today, keep dribbling us. Tomorrow she will change it. Chidi.
She has been busy, that's why.
Look for another woman. There are so many fishes in the river.
Papa, I'll wait for this one.
I'll
wait for her.
I'll wait for her.
She has been busy, that's why she has not given me any...
A fool at 40 is a fool forever.
Papa, I'm not a fool.
Ekperima.
I'm not a Ekperima.
Hey!
Papa, I'll wait for her. She's the woman of my dreams. The love of my life.
Okay, continue dreaming.
I'll wait for her.
Why are you following me?
Leave her alone.
Leave who alone?
She's not for you.
Who? Are you a madman? Madmen everywhere.
Hey! I will not want you again.
Hey!
soon be done. I'll soon be done. It's just the final party she's trying to do on it. Mama, you know today's my day. I need to look good.
I know it's good day.
They put this party now.
Mama, it's in I call you almost done. You're almost done. You're not doing anything.
Sorry,
See
Mama,
where I
it's
say
the
you should
brush.
put it. Here.
Okay.
Hurry. No, sister. You're almost done. You cannot afford to keep your husband waiting. I know. Did the walker. This one that has come for you and is a young man, handsome. You will love him. You will enjoy him. You will enjoy him. So hurry up. Come on, husband, and you cannot afford to keep him waiting.
I'm coming.
It's a wonderful day. Oh.
Yes, so Mama.
Sister, people are still here. Should I tell them to go?
No, tell them to come and come and nose. What is even wrong with you? I told my mother I'm coming. Today is my day. Calm down now. To oversize native. Tell them to go.
Finally, my friend is taking off. Hey!
Child. Oh.
No, I thought you go see I. Oh, your boy, I hope easy, but I hear what I am about. Say, who I am, one man now, or whether butterfly of my.
Wait. Chidi, I mean, it's just a mere dream. Don't tell me you took it serious.
Perry, please, don't leave me for another man. You're the love of my life.
I just want to know this. Do you really want me as your wife?
Of course. Yes. But why do you keep asking me this question every time?
I just want to be sure that is exactly what you want.
Ibe, if you leave me, I'll die.
You'll die. Listen, Chidi. I like you a lot. I would really love to be your wife. But then there is this problem.
Problem? What problem? Tell me. What type of problem?
Don't worry, it's
No,
it's a long story.
Tell me, I'm listening.
Listen, I'm sure.
Hey, that woman matter. Eh? Where are they? Ebere! 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 Ebere!
Obidia, come on down, my brother. What is it?
Obidia! Is there nobody in this house?
Papa, what is it? This one you're holding a cutlass and shouting down my father's roof. I hope there's no problem.
Shouting down your father's house would be a small thing to compare to what I am going to do here right now if you don't undo what you did to my son.
Moa did something to your son.
Yes, you charmed him. You charmed my son and you make him walk like a nobody. Walking aimlessly and so miserable. Look, leave my son alone if you're not ready to marry him. Happy Yaka!
But I'm not holding your son. I did not charm your son either. This is you're saying are not right. I haven't done anything to him.
Ebere, you are evil. You are evil, Ebere. Leave my son alone or... Hey. Hey.
I am not holding you.
This is where you're hiding. Useless son.
Papa, please, leave her alone. She didn't do anything to me.
Hey.
Don't accuse her wrongly because she didn't charm me. She's the love of my life, the mother to my unborn children. She's my sunflower.
Hey! You're sunflower. Oh, come out, let us go. Come out, let us go, Chidi.
Chidi, please. You need to listen to your father. I need you to go home with him. I don't want any issues. I don't want trouble with him.
Yes!
I need you to go. Just go home with him.
I should go with him?
Yes, go with him.
Chidi, let us go. I will kill you here.
Papa, he will go with you. Please don't be offended. I didn't...
Yeah. Let us go home. Hell! They're going to call a gaka.
And because stop coming here to look for me. You know about Polo Bieba. Eh? Just look at the way he's even moving. Chidi! 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 What is it? Wow.
I love Chidi. What? I do. I love him.
If you had seen and heard the insult I got from my father yesterday, I just swallowed everything like a man.
Chidi, if not because you're my friend, I would have asked you not to discuss this issue by my side.
Namdi, I thought we were friends.
Just because you're my friend,
That's the more reason why I'm giving you listening ears. Huh? Chidi, why are you misbehaving? Why are you misbehaving in this village?
Namdi, what do you mean I'm misbehaving? How am I misbehaving?
Chidi, you are the cause of your problems.
How and why?
I think you've forgotten our discussions. Chidi, Ebere is not interested in marrying you. But all you do is just to go to her house every time, sweep the whole compound, wash her clothes, fetch water for her, firewood. Who knows? One day now you start going to her house to go and cook food for her.
Namdi, how did you know all this?
Yes, the news is all over the entire Akama village. Some even say that she bewitched you because you're not acting with your right sense again.
Bewitched me? Please stop saying that. Nobody can bewitch me. I'm just doing what I have to do.
Please, just leave Ebere. Leave her and get another woman for yourself. Simple.
Namdi, on whose side are you? I thought we were friends.
I am on that side of the truth. Chidi, have you forgotten our discussion? You even promised me something and you never did it.
You know what? I'm tired. This conversation is over. Please go.
I should go. Okay. Just think about it though. You know you're my friend. So I'll have to tell you the truth. Chidi, I'll tell you the truth as my friend.
So, tell me, how far have you gone with Chidi? Have you people fixed it?
Ifoma, my sister, I'm confused. I don't know what is going on. Something just keeps pulling me away from this whole thing, and I don't know why.
You mean you've not made up your mind? But Ebere, we talked about this.
I know. I love Chidi, and I would even like to marry him.
Then what is keeping you?
That is something I cannot explain.
How?
Each time I think about him, you know, I have this feeling, good feeling actually, nice memories and all that, but just in a snap, real quick, something just strikes it away.
I don't understand this.
I'm as confused as you are.
I think this is not ordinary. Yes.
Emeka, what is it? Why are you running like you are being chased by a wild animal?
Auntie, something worse has happened. We have lost the battle.
Wait a minute. I didn't even know we're in a battle with anybody. What battle are you talking about?
It's Chidi. Chidi and his people has gone to marry another girl from our neighboring village.
I need you to repeat that thing you said again. You mean my own Chidi?
Yes.
Has gone to marry another girl? In what? Emeka, please be serious. What are you saying?
I mean it. You heard me clear. Chidi is getting married to another girl.
Seriously? Emeka,
Auntie,
please. I need you to take me to where this girl is. I need to know who she is. I need to know her village. I need to...
So that what happened?
What do you mean what will happen? I have to take what is mine. This is Chidi we're talking... Go, Biko, just take me to where she is. I'm begging you.
Auntie, I think I told you this sometime, but you wouldn't listen.
Listen, If you would not take me there, I'll go and look for him by myself.
I must try to be strong. Love. I must try to be strong.
Who is in this house?
Journey of love.
Who is here?
Do I need to remind you you're in my house? This house belongs to me and not you. Do you understand me?
Emeka, I'm not dragging that with you. Eh? All I'm saying is that you have to take it easy with my sister.
Listen to me. Go to your house and take care of your wife and leave my wife alone.
Chidi, this is not you. Eh? When you were busy frequenting my house, begging my sister to marry you. All I'm saying is that if you do not take care of my sister, I have no other option than to take her from you.
Emeka, you're a madman. You have no right to tell me how I should treat my wife. Do you understand me?
My darling, don't shout. Don't stress yourself. Emeka, what is your problem? No, I'm asking you. Who called you here? Loyikbama. Did I ever come to the house to complain to you that my husband is maltreating me? Or did I come there to tell you to come and carry me from my husband's house? Did I hear you say you will take me from my lovely husband? Okay, go back home. Go and take care of your wife and leave my family alone. I am warning you.
But sister, this is not the Chidi you marry.
No, I'm